What if I told you that you need to start a YouTube channel, being an avatar right now? Okay? What if I told you to start a YouTube channel right this minute? Hello everybody, it's me Granny Gems, and let me tell you something. If I knew what I know now 10 or 15 years ago about having a YouTube channel, baby, I would have been one of the biggest YouTube channels on here. Okay? But I didn't pay attention. I didn't watch people. I didn't believe the possibilities was endless. But that's why I'm taking the time out to tell you the benefits of becoming an avatar. Okay? And I'm going to specifically give you a reason why it's an avatar and not AI. Two different things, sugar. Two different things. Oh, look at my nails. These things is look. Oh, I'm too distracted. I'm so sorry. Listen, okay? I'm so sorry. My nails are just looking so cute. But listen, being an avatar and being AI is two separate things. Okay? An avatar has personality behind it. AI is whatever you tell it to do, it's going to do. That's it. It's two different things. And guess what? YouTube is favoring avatars. Look at my name on the main page on YouTube. You're going to see I got a check, baby. I'm verified. All right? They taking good care of their avatar content creators. And I'm going to tell you why. We're going to get into it right after my intro. When I say that being an avatar is a big deal, being an avatar is a big deal. Let me tell you why. Okay? Like I said, if I knew then what I knew now, baby, I would be a multi-millionaire. All right? Not that I'm not. I'm just saying I'm just getting started. All right? You could start a YouTube channel in 2026 without showing your face, without filming, without having the perfect lighting. Ambiance. Your room could be a mess. Your bed ain't gotta be neat. I'm just saying. Okay, all of these things and still be real to the people. Be real to yourself and put your character forward. That's what an avatar YouTube channel is all about. You don't have to worry about all the technical aspects of it. Just being real. Okay? So, you can still build real income, real authority, and real freedom as an avatar. All right? Most people think that YouTube success consists of being young, being on camera, okay, being loud and rowdy, or doing crazy stuff like jumping off a building or getting bit by a snake and filming it and laughing until you died. I'm just saying. Or try to be lucky. No, none of that is true anymore. Okay? Start your YouTube channel, darling. In 2026, avatars are quietly replacing traditional creators. It's quiet. It's on a sneak tip. And adults are winning because more and more adults is becoming an avatar now. Oh my goodness. And they're having a great time with it. All right? Imagine, I'm just saying, imagine being on a Zoom call with me, Frankenstein, Godzilla, and a roll of toilet paper. That's it. That's what it is. That's what my Zoom calls be like, okay? And we have a good time. I'm just saying, the times is changing, so that's why I'm taking the time to make this video and explain to you exactly why. Okay, in 2026, avatars are quietly replacing the creators, regular traditional creators, because guess what? Safety. And with an avatar, your channel grows faster. The exact avatar tool creators use is the same thing real creators would use. We could use the same tools, okay? So anyway, in saying that, I am so excited to present to you me, an avatar, real avatar, that's going to explain to you how to be an avatar. Isn't that making sense? You can't have a live creator talking about, oh, you should start an avatar, a faceless channel. Yeah, but did you start one? No, when an avatar teaches you how to be an avatar, baby, that's where you need to be. Okay? Don't try to have nobody else try to tell you something just for clicks or whatever. Listen, you want to learn how to be an avatar? You want to know what tools to use? You want to know what your setup should be? Make sure it's an avatar person that's at least 95% avatar on their channel. Other than that, tell them to kick rocks with no shoes on. Okay? So, if you've ever said, I don't want to be on camera, I don't have time for film, I don't like how I look on video, baby, this video is for you. I put this presentation together for you. Okay? So, let's get into it. Go ahead, get it, boy. You better dance. Anyway, so why avatar YouTube channels are booming in 2006? 26, I should say. Let's start with the why the channels are working. Key 2006 creator stats find that adult-friendly, over 65% of new channels launched in 2025 and 2026 use AI tools. AI avatars. Okay, faceless and avatar channels have 20 to 40% higher consistency, less creator burnout. Educational avatar channels like mine average 2 to 3 times longer shelf life than personality-based channels, meaning you just looking at the same person. Me, I could switch up as much as I want. I'm still gonna try to be the same, but I could switch up. So if I want to come up here looking like Mr. Potato Head, I can. Okay? But a real creator, if they ain't got their makeup on, they ain't filming today. I'm just saying there's a difference. Okay? So adults are more likely to monetize because they have higher trust, higher CPM niches, okay, and more buying power. Alright, so that's why adults, this is perfect for adults, 18 and older. If you want to make some money, I'm telling you, this is how you do it. If I could go back and turn the hands of time and start my YouTube channel, baby, I would have done it, but I missed it. I procrastinated. I didn't take advantage. Alright, but it is what it is. Alright, so avatars remove the biggest barriers that stop adults from starting, which is no camera anxiety. Okay, no makeup. There's none of that. You don't got to worry about any of those things. Okay, you show up every single time as you, just with your voice. As long as you got a good mic, you good to go. And I got a video on mics. You should watch that. Alright, so why avatars are perfect for adult creators? Let me say this very clearly. Adults favor adults' avatars. Here's why. Adults teach better. Adults explain better. Adults monetize better. You know what? Let me tell you something. If schools would have online classes and the teacher is an alligator, I bet you they'll pay attention. The kids will pay attention. I'm sure of that. For real, for real. Okay? So, you don't age out being an avatar. You don't burn out being an avatar. You build assets as an avatar. Okay? So, what if I could build a channel without showing your face? That's faster growth, modern tools, proven stats. That's everything I just mentioned. Okay? It's so important. Alright, so don't waste the time. Start today. Become an avatar. I encourage it. Okay, so let's keep on going and let's get into some more good information. Y'all know I'm Granny Gems. I am an avatar. Okay, I have digital income without burnout. I'm going to tell you all the ways I make money as an avatar. Real money. Not no play. Okay. I'm going to go out and show you exactly how I make money, and some of the things, that I go through or went through, and what you can prevent, going forward. But we'll get into that in another video. Right now, I'm just encouraging you that you should start to be a avatar YouTuber as soon as possible. I encourage it. All right. So in saying that, some of the tools that you might need, okay? Some of the tools that you might need. So these tools let you appear on YouTube without filming yourself. AI avatar video generators, 3D avatar platforms, metaverse ready avatar systems. They allow script-based videos. Okay, so in the link in the link below, in the description, I have a link to Haitian. Haitian is basically one of the tools that I use personally, okay, where I use my avatar. Okay, so I use that. I use Zepeto to create and design my avatar. I make income from Zepeto. So I'll do a whole nother video on the income that I make from Zepeto. But listen, the opportunity is endless, all right? And you should really, really take the time to design an avatar and become an avatar here on YouTube. So why avatar channels are booming in 2026? Let me talk income, because this is where adults win. Avatar channels monetize through YouTube ad revenue, affiliate marketing, digital products, courses, communities, metaverse platform, brand deals. Okay, brand deals. I just did a video for Coach, rocking Coach, all the Coach outfit that I had. I had the glasses, I had the dress. Well, it wasn't a dress, it was more like a dress suit. Okay, and I had the pocketbook. All right, and guess what? That is a Coach brand. Okay, so therefore that can happen for you as an avatar. All right, you could wear so many different brands, or you could promote other brands and so forth and so on as an avatar. And guess what? You don't have to worry about your hair. You don't have to worry about your lighting. You don't have to worry about a messy living room. I'm just saying, it eliminates the stress. Okay, so the RPM is a little higher. Why? Because advertisers pay more for adult audiences. Okay, tutorials attracted long-term search traffic, right? So if you make a tutorial as an avatar, your search traffic is going to go up, because first of all, you look inviting. And if you teach you something, that's even better. Okay, so I'm just saying, I'm just encouraging, I'm really surely encouraging more and more, how can I say it, people to take the opportunity and decide to be an avatar. It's very important. All right, so as you can see, new channels is about 65% new channels that are growing for 2026. 40% higher consistency, which is less burnout. Okay, new channels are building these avatars, and they are working like crazy and putting out content, because guess what? It's less stress. It's less things to worry about. Like the environment that the people is going to see behind you in a real camera, like your real environment, like okay, and your content lasts longer, because some people looking kind of old now. They've been showing their real face and everything from 10 years ago, and then now you see them, they all gray and everything, and it's like, hold up, wait a minute. Where's that youthful person, that young person that I liked before? People grow old. That's a shame, okay? Not that it's a shame, but it's real. All right, so I mean, the opportunities is endless. So there is everything that connects to your real life avatar versus being a regular content creator. That is much more beneficial. That's all I can say. It's much more beneficial. You should definitely consider becoming an avatar. I encourage it. Don't wait, because guess what? You wait, you become too late. All right, you want to be one of the top avatars. Okay, there's not many of us that's top avatars right now. You got a lot of kids that are just dancing around all over the place, and that's all they do. They don't have real content that they're putting out that's educational and informative and entertaining. Okay, so get on board with me. Join me in my Metaverse Millionaires. Like I said, be one of the people that's on my Zoom call looking like an avatar. Okay, along with my roll of toilet paper friend. Okay, so the metaverse is not just a community, it's a shortcut. Why is it a shortcut? Because inside I teach creators what avatar content actually works, how to monetize early to prevent the mistakes that I made, okay, and how to avoid trial and error, how to turn views into income, and how to scale without overwhelming yourself. Okay, instead of guessing, you follow a proven path that I teach, which is avatar plus YouTube plus metaverse plus education equal long-term digital income, baby. That's all I'm saying. You want to be able to make money. Because listen, if I was able to make money 10, 15 years ago doing this, baby, I would be rich. Okay? Even more rich than I already am. But I'll get into the income. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you click the notification bell so that way when I do put out new videos, you can watch them. I'm always dropping gems. Okay? So, in saying that, make sure you like, subscribe, and I talk to you next time. Until the next time, everybody, have a great day. Bye.